a look at this question. We're given the equation x squared plus 4k plus 2x plus 9 equals 0, and we're told that it has no real roots. We need to determine the range of values for k and justify our answer. The key thing to recognise here is the phrase no real roots. Whenever a quadratic has no real roots, it tells us that we have to think about the discriminant. Your discriminant is b squared minus 4ac, and for no real roots, the condition is that this must be less than 0. From this point, now that I've stated my condition, I can start to substitute in my a, b and c values. b, which is the coefficient of our x term, is 4k plus 2. a, which is the coefficient of our x squared term, is 1. And c is the constant number at the end, which is 9. And all of that is going to be less than 0. I can now start to expand and simplify. Expanding the brackets, I get 16k squared plus 16k plus 4. 4 times 1 times 9 gives me, take away 36. Tidying this up further gives me 16k squared plus 16k minus 32 is less than 0. Now that I've expanded and fully simplified, I can start to factorise, which is going to help me find the roots of this. Taking out 16 as a common factor leaves me with k squared plus k minus 2. And then I can factorise this trinomial, split it into two brackets. Multiplying to get k squared is k and k. Multiplying to get 2 is 2 and 1. Adding and subtracting to get the positive k must be a positive 2 and a negative 1. Now we're going to have to justify what we're about to say. And to do that, you can use a table of values, or, as I do, you can use a graph. Now on my graph, my roots are going to be at negative 2 and at 1. And this comes from that factorised form. From the fact that I had a positive x squared at the start, I know my graph must have a minimum turning point. Applying this to our condition, we are interested in when our discriminant is less than 0, in other words, when it lies below this axis. So this means that negative 2 less than k less than 1. In other words, when k lies between negative 2 and 1, we have no real roots. Quick exam tip. If you see phrases like no real roots, equal roots, or two distinct roots, this is a sign that you must use your discriminant. Remember, no real roots means your discriminant is less than 0. Equal roots means your discriminant is equal to 0. Two distinct real roots means your discriminant is greater than 0. Recognising the wording and stating your condition is the first key step.